Hello everyone, my name is Parnavi Gullani. I am studying in nursery class. This is in FBH International School. This is my farm and these are my farm animals.
ओके, टेल मी परनवी, आपके फार्म में क्या क्या है?
काऊ का ट्री है, काऊ का शेड है, पॉइंट है, हॉट है, ऑक्स है, कट है.
ओके, नाउ टेल मी which animal is this?
This is the cow. Cow is this farm animal. Cow gives us milk.
हाँ.
Cow makes the sound moo moo.
Now tell me which animal is this?
This is the cat. Cat is the big animal. Cat makes cat use for
Cat.
rat.
Cat mix.
Cat makes sound meow meow.
Tell me which animal is this?
This is the duck. Duck is the farm animal. Duck use us egg. Duck sound quack quack.
Very good. Now tell me which animal is this?
This is the sheep. Sheep is used.
It's a farm.
Sheep is the farm animal. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep sound baba.
Okay. Tell me which animal is this? Dog.
This is the dog. Dog is the big animal. And dog gives
Dog use for.
security. Dog use
for.
for security. Dog
Next.
sound bark bark boo boo.
Which animal is this?
This is the hen. Hen is the farm animal. Hen gives us egg.
Hen mix.